Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create cover page on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here click on more templates option. Now from here just click on new option and then go to search bar and then type cover page. And here you can see so many cover page design, and you can choose any cover page design as you like. Suppose if you want to create this cover page, you have to just select it and then click on create, and that's it. And then click on change settings option and it's done. You can see the cover page has been created successfully. Now from here you can increase or decrease your page, and you can add any kind of text as you want. Now if I open any new document and then click on insert tab, and here you can see cover page option, then just click here. You can also create a cover page from here. Here you can see so many design, and you can choose any template or design as you like. Suppose if you want to add this cover page design, just click here and it's done. You can see the cover page has been created successfully. And that is how you can create cover page on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.